Fox Factory will produce 500 of these supercharged trucks with improved suspension, perfect for fighting the Raptor. The folks at Fox Factory don't expect Chevrolet to produce a viable rival for the F-150 Raptor R or Ram TRX. The 2024 Chevrolet Silverado Fox Factory Edition has 700 horsepower and enough suspension travel to land safely on an aircraft carrier. Fox Factory will build 500 of these beefy Silverados, but there's a catch: they cost $209,999. Fox Factory says that's an estimated starting MSRP, but it's still $100,000 more than an F-150 Raptor R. For that price, you get a supercharger bolted on top of the Silverado's 6.2-liter V8, which increases output to the aforementioned 700 horsepower and 640 pounds. Borla exhaust adds to the noise, and it all goes through Chevy's 10-speed automatic transmission. But the resistance here is not the powertrain. Fox is known for its off-road magic, and this upgraded Silverado ditches the rear leaf spring suspension for a long-travel multi-link setup. Fox 3.2 coilovers and aluminum trailing arms provide 15.5 inches of usable travel in the rear. Up front, there's 14.5 inches of travel with Fox 3.2 shocks on a long-travel A-arm setup. It's a semi-active, electronically controlled system that can be managed inside the truck, with Fox Factory emphasizing a real-time control and stability at high speeds off-road. Baja kits worked with Fox Factory on the setup, which includes Dana 60 axles and an ARB air locker in the rear. The factory front limited slip axle has 3.73 gears, and the changes add 6 inches to the Silverado's track. They all ride on 17-inch method wheels shod with 37-inch BFG K02 tires. Fox Factory is adding numerous body upgrades to accommodate the mechanical changes. The hood and wide front fenders are made of carbon fiber, as are the rear bedheads. There are new high-clearance bumpers front and rear, there are lots of headlights, and the interior has been upgraded with Alcantara and even more carbon fiber. Fox Factory doesn't say when the high-flying Silverado will be available, but the company is currently taking reservations with an initial payment of $5,000.